I welcome back another important session. So, professionals and students, let's try to understand what is query reporting. Okay, query generated or else functional reporting. Let's learn about this one. This has limitations, but it is a very good functionality. So, why we have not allowed to use much until unless we have a client permission, but the old projects this tool using like anything, but when able to experiment it for logic wise also it is useful. Okay, so the transaction code is sqvi. There is one more transaction called sq01. Okay, let's see this tool how it works in SAP system. Okay, because myself I have generated few queries, and sometimes on huge data if you like to query it's very difficult. For example, you know that the sales document header is vbak, and invoice header is vbrk, and sales document item is vbap, and invoice item is vbrp. In the similar way like aps and laps. And if you talk about that header and item of your main tables, apart from that we have tables like vbfa, vbep, and kna1, knb1, and so many tables will be there. You can try to, I mean, combine those tables and you can get the information how you want it. I will show you simple example how we can able to do this. And before going ahead, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so it has a lot of information if you would like to learn it. Before going ahead session, let's try to understand this. This is some information which is useful for you. So look at here, I am functional architect. I'm holding more than 10 plus years of experience. All these are my courses with a lot of hard work. And if you'd like to, if you already learn SD and if you'd like to do it as a backup, and you try to do this course, and the information which I'm giving is field by field. It is 84 hours. This video also I'm adding here. Okay, so you can able to collect here. And if you're beginner, then no doubt you can go ahead and do this course. If you have a doubts, and you can reply in YouTube or else Udemy forum also, you can raise your queries actually. SAP S4 HANA simple logistics, you know that, right? By 2027 ECC might be little low but not completely washed out. By 2030 it has another 7 years to go. Till the time, if S4 HANA boom is increasing, it is better to know little basics. You better get into this course. If you are beginner, if you are not at all experienced, if you are not at all experienced, if you don't know real time, better do this course irrespective of any module. Here I have given SD examples, 3 examples. In future I will try to update few more. You try to understand this, either you from SD, fi, pp, QA, and whatever you module you take. Okay, this is the process you should have to follow in enhancement and support enhancement projects. Just do this course, and have that confidence. If you have doubts, I have given section by section clearly explained. It is 6.5 hours course on real-time documentation, and I have given a sample document. If you are from other like module, you take one example and standard, try to do practice. If you got job also, it is 100% useful. And SAP SD complete pricing concepts, if you are passionate about it, is 8 hours, and another 9 hours little advanced in standing standard, total 17 hours, and rebates total put together 21 hours. This is SAP S4 and intercompany sales and consignment sales. All these are different set of courses. I'm just providing links below of this video. If you want, you can try and give the feedback and good rating, so that it can be accessible by others as well as. Okay, please share the knowledge so that your knowledge also will be improved. Okay, let's get into the SAP now. Okay, so now I'll take this is the transaction sqvi. You can see this, that is what I have shown you. Let's try to create some report. Okay, sales odd details I'm just creating. So give the view. so that whatever the query views you have generated, you can able to access here. For this, we can able to add a transaction code also. Okay, so let's try to understand the basic problem. In future I'll try to do something. So let's create it. Title: sales order details, or else let's try to do it: sales invoice reporting. Okay, I'm just doing sales order and invoice. We can able to give it. Okay, here you can see this. If you would like to put some comments, you can put it. Let me put the same thing. Okay, this is basically I have given the heading sales invoice details. Okay, I'm just giving. So click on table join. Here you have like logical database level, and query info set, and single table level, join table level. You choose this one. You have two modes. One is basic mode and layout mode. These are the two different modes. How your data will be, how your report will be accessed by the user actually. Let's choose the layout mode. Let's see this. Okay, now see this here. Check the link. Suppose if two tables are linked, how do you check the condition that is the case, and delete it. And this is to insert the table and alias table, and this is for joining the conditions. Let's click here. VBRK, I'm taking invoice header table. Okay, I'm just trying to link with VBRP. Okay, let's try to see this simple query. So now you look at here, this is called primary key. This is technical details. If you are not from technical background, you don't know, but there is no surprise. Apart from all these fields, one key field will be there at table level. Probably we'll have a discussion about that one. And I have done a lot of you know videos on SAP SD tables and other integrated tables. So you can check my YouTube videos, and you can check my courses also. So VBL and VBL, this is the link actually. If I want, if I can select, if I right click, if I want, I can able to link it, and I can able to drag it also. So now it's okay. I'm good to go. This is so we'll try to see the simple scenario now. Okay. See what is no additional relationship found actually. So in this table, header table and item table, this is the common. Okay, now let's click immediately. Once you click this, if you look at here, if you would like to add any footer tags or a header tags, and in this viewer you can able to add colors, and you can able to do something actually. So let's come here. This is first one is header table. So you look at here, this is the what are all the fields available here. Okay, what are all the fields available here? This is the place where what are the fields you would like to display in your report. This is the place where what you would like to select it. Okay, key fields actually. So let's try to do this, and we'll generate. For example, our client is looking for billing document and billing document type as a selection fields, and as well as to filter it further sales organization distribution channel. He's taking these two. Okay, and further financially year, fiscal year also you can able to take it. Billing date, these are the selection fields. This is sufficient. So now I would like to display what are the fields supposed to be displayed here: sales organization and distribution channel. Okay, okay, shipping conditions I want it. So posting period, if any chance, pricing group. So let's see the I would like to see my client request Incoterm 1 and Incoterm 2. Okay, payment method, good to go. Okay, city code, country code. Okay, net value of the document. Probably this we can see at item level. Okay, let's select this one also. These are the different output how if you would like to see in a different colors, okay, or else you would like to see this one as a heading, okay, you can able to choose this one. So this is what we have selected. If you see here, you can able to see the sample. Actually, if you select this is the document number, okay, sales or okay, sample it is showing actually what it will show, okay. Hmm. So if you want, you can able to execute it, but I don't want to do that. Let's do some selection at item level also. Here also required billing item. uh, this is the one. Sales unit I can able to take it. Base unit of measurement. So net weight, gross weight, weight unit, volume unit, okay. Probably I can see exchange rate, date on which service rendered, okay. I'm good to go. Material group, okay. Item category I don't want it. Probably I need a plant. Cost center I don't want it. Profit center. So customer will give the set of the fields how you want it. So you don't know SQA query and all those things how you want it. Maybe we can develop ALV report through ABAP also, or else different kind of technologies will be there to generate the report in ABAP. Most of the times ALV will be used, and there is another module called BW reporting also. Don't worry about that. All those things we try to understand all these fields, okay. Probably I can pick the order number, sales order number. uh, I'm just checking for one more field. So let me check here. NETWR. Okay, I already selected this one. PBRK. So you can able to choose the fields like this. Let me try to check any other field, something useful for me. We batch relevant material, batch also will be coming. So let's see customer groups. Anything is there. Okay. So that's all. It's already more what we have chosen. These many also they don't ask actually. So let's save this quickly first. So now see query sales order details, sales order invoice. I supposed to keep the heading. I didn't put it properly. Query sales order details got generated. Okay. Now let's execute it. Okay. So this invoice number is there. If I give this, I'm getting details like this. I don't want to put this input. Let me keep the year as 2023. Okay. So, so this one, I think fiscal year not selected any details. Let's try to give sales or organization. DS01 DS01. See now how you beautifully got report here. SAP ALV viewer. If I click this in ALV format, a report comes. We can able to see what are all the details we have. Okay, billing document selected, type selected, sales organization distribution channel. Okay, period it's not selected. We'll look into it. Okay, in quote, and probably it is not picking your invoice. Net value got it. Okay, and billing document number, net weight, and all those stuff. Here also item level. See, I have selected exchange rate. I selected this one is like header, so you are getting the total of this one. Okay, we got the plan. This is how you can able to generate the query. Let me try to check. Let me click the list overview. Okay, this is the name what you have for this report. If you want, you can able to download this file also. Okay, so sometimes what happens, you can download and then you can give it to your customer actually. Okay, so what is this? Let's click this one. It will give the total value also. Okay, let's go back. Okay, if you try to add one more table along with this, you can able to add it. So if it allows, we can add this. So now let's go to the basic mode. How it looks like? Basic mode looks like this. Okay, here also it will generate. You can able to change it accordingly. Okay, this is how. Let's save now. So save this. Now our report is available here. Okay, so let's click on the change. So when I click on the change, you can able to choose any of the mode here. What is this? So you can able to see this naming convention. Okay, technical, and this one, whatever you know, you can able to see. So you can able to give the sort sequence for which field come before, which field come after. That sequencing also you can do. And here it is all about selection fields. If you want, you can add and change it. This is data source. Suppose if you click the change, so I can click, I can add one more table, VB AP. Okay, if you add this, see these are the two links. So with partner and this one. Okay, now let's go back again. So now if you want, you can able to choose other fields also. Here I can able to get like a sales document number, sales document item, material number. Let's come here, what I want. Okay, let me, this item relevant for delivery or not. If I want, I can check. Relevant for billing or not, I can check. So let's try to, if I want reconciliation data, I can able to get it. Let's see this. Sometimes it won't pull the data. Let's see if you'd like to check for the delivery, under delivery, over delivery tolerances. Okay, cross weight net weight we have already chosen. If I want to choose, I can choose the route. Okay, here net price. Suppose sales order level net price and your billing level net price, if it differs, then they want a report. Okay, so cash discount, better choose valuation type. You can able to choose your subtotals also. Okay, in this report you can able to play with this. Okay, material groups I haven't defined. Costing sheet, bomb. Let's take the ship to. I'm just trying to create it on my own. Don't worry about this. Let's save this. Okay, get here. Let's execute. Let's execute. Okay. Sometimes key fields, if it is not matching, it won't give the data properly. Okay. Anyhow, the query first attempt it is got executed successfully. Let's try to check. So selection fields. So it need to be sorted back to for sales order, right? That's why probably it's not giving. Anyhow, we'll check the joins. So let's try to delete this, but I cannot give this because for VBAP billing document number, so that's where the issue is coming. So let's try to give any other key field. What is this? VGBL. Okay, let's try to sales document item. If it is matches, then it will give you. Otherwise, it won't give anything. That's the problem with it. So like that, we can link and we can try. Okay. So sales document item and sales document item. If it is matches, then it works. Okay. Let's go back. Let's save this. Maybe these warnings are coming. Something is not syncing actually. See, now the link is matching, then it will give properly. If you don't link properly the fields, it won't give the report. This is how you can able to work SQA. Probably you can try on your own, like you can link customer tables with transactional tables. Okay, I think you will have a better understanding. So this is live. Mistakes do happens. We are human beings. So, but live I can show you better. Actually, that's what I feel. Okay, so I wish you all the best. Please do have some encouragement. If you wanted to learn fully, better get into all these courses as a backup. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. This is what at least I'm expecting. I'm doing a lot of hard work, not for money, but it's a crazy affair for me. Doing, if you look at here in my channel, it's already crossed the 370 videos. Please like, subscribe. If you like it, you can join. If you want to enhance your knowledge, polished way, join my Udemy courses. If you're a beginner, then this is the right place. Have a great day. I wish you all the best. Wish you all the best. More importantly, Jai Hind. Don't forget, wherever you are, boys.